Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Product. Today we're diving into the top 5 best breakfast maker station options that bring convenience, versatility, and speed to your mornings. From all-in-one cooking to compact designs, these picks make breakfast effortless. Let's get started. Starting off at number 5, we have the Ghrertx Breakfast Maker Station. The Ghrertx Breakfast Maker Station redefines morning routines with its all-in-one design, combining a toaster, coffee maker, and mini oven into a single compact appliance. This innovative 3-in-1 station allows users to cook a full breakfast, sausage, bacon, eggs, and more simultaneously, streamlining meal preparation and saving valuable time in busy kitchens. Its versatility makes it a convenient solution for households looking to simplify their morning routines without sacrificing quality or flavor. Powered by an impressive 1100-watt output, the breakfast station features dual heating elements positioned at the top and bottom of the oven, ensuring fast and even cooking. The reflective plate enhances heat concentration, maximizing efficiency while reducing energy loss. Whether you are baking, toasting, or warming, this thoughtful engineering provides consistent results every time. Temperature control is precise, adjustable from 100 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius, giving complete flexibility for various cooking tasks. Users can tailor the heat to suit different ingredients and cooking methods, from gently warming delicate pastries to roasting or crisping meats. The integrated 30-minute timer offers hands-free convenience, allowing multitasking during hectic mornings without the need to constantly monitor the cooking process. The mini oven itself holds a generous 9-liter capacity, accommodating multiple servings of bread, breakfast items, or small meals for the whole family. Its countertop-friendly design ensures that it fits comfortably in most kitchens, combining functionality with a compact footprint. With the Ghrertx Breakfast Maker Station, mornings become simpler, faster, and more enjoyable. Its combination of speed, precision, and versatility transforms daily breakfast preparation into a seamless experience, making it an essential appliance for anyone seeking convenience without compromising on quality. Next, at number 4, is the Soirfantlio Breakfast Maker Station. The Soirfantlio Breakfast Maker Station is designed to revolutionize morning routines by combining multiple kitchen functions into a single compact appliance. This 3-in-1 station integrates a toaster oven, coffee maker, and frying pan, allowing users to prepare a complete breakfast without the need for multiple devices. Its thoughtful design enables cooking of various foods simultaneously, from toasting bread to frying eggs, all while brewing fresh coffee. Equipped with precise knob controls, the breakfast station allows easy adjustment of temperature and timing. A 30-minute timer ensures foods are cooked accurately, while the temperature control reaches up to 230 degrees Fahrenheit, giving users flexibility for different recipes. The appliance includes essential accessories such as a built-in baking net, removable baking tray, non-stick frying pan, and a glass coffee pot, offering versatility for a wide range of breakfast preparations. Measuring 18.11 inches wide and 7.7 inches high, the Soirfantlio Breakfast Maker Station is ideal for small kitchens and limited countertop spaces. Its separate compartments allow multiple cooking functions to operate at once, making breakfast preparation faster and more efficient. The simple on-off switch and intuitive controls ensure a hassle-free experience, while its compact design does not compromise on functionality. With its combination of convenience, versatility, and space-saving design, the Soirfantlio Breakfast Maker Station provides an all-in-one solution for busy mornings, streamlining the process of making a hearty, freshly prepared breakfast. Whether it's toast, eggs, bacon, or coffee, this appliance brings everything together for an efficient start to the day. Coming in at number 3, we have the West Bend Breakfast Maker Station. The West Bend Breakfast Maker Station is designed to streamline morning routines by combining multiple breakfast appliances into one compact unit. This versatile kitchen tool functions as a toaster, egg cooker, and breakfast sandwich maker, providing all the essentials needed for a complete morning meal. The egg cooker can handle up to 8 eggs at a time for hard or soft boiling, and it also allows for poaching or scrambling 2 eggs in roughly 4 minutes, offering flexibility for different breakfast preferences. The 2-slice toaster accommodates a wide range of breads, including English muffins, bagels, and croissants. Its high toast lift feature ensures that even smaller items can be removed safely and easily, while the light to dark shade control allows precise toasting for consistent results every time. Adding to its versatility, the breakfast station includes a meat tray designed to heat pre-cooked meats as well as slices of tomato or pineapple, making it easy to enhance sandwiches or toast creations with extra flavor. The electronic controls are straightforward, with variable shade settings that make it simple to achieve the desired level of browning. This all-in-one appliance eliminates the need for multiple devices and counters clutter, providing a convenient solution for busy mornings. Whether preparing a quick breakfast sandwich, perfectly toasted bagels, or a full plate of eggs and toast, the West Bend Breakfast Maker Station combines efficiency and functionality in a single unit. Its design emphasizes ease of use and versatility, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. The compact form factor, combined with the ability to handle multiple tasks simultaneously, ensures that mornings are faster and more organized, giving users the freedom to enjoy breakfast with minimal preparation time. Our runner-up at number 2 is the GreenLife Breakfast Maker Station. The GreenLife Breakfast Maker Station redefines morning cooking with its versatile and health-conscious design. Crafted with a healthy ceramic non-stick coating, this breakfast station ensures your meals are free from PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium, allowing you to cook with confidence and ease. Its 3-in-1 design combines 2 upper griddle compartments with a convenient toast drawer, making it possible to prepare an entire breakfast in one go. The dual griddle compartments offer flexibility, letting you cook eggs alongside vegetables, pancakes with bacon, or potatoes with French toast simultaneously. This setup opens up countless combinations, enabling a customized breakfast experience tailored to any craving. Complementing the griddles is the bonus bread drawer, which toasts up to 2 slices of bread while the rest of your meal cooks above, streamlining your morning routine. A built-in adjustable timer takes the guesswork out of cooking, letting you track your food to perfection every time. The tempered glass lid, equipped with a steam vent, allows you to monitor your dishes without losing heat, ensuring a consistent cooking temperature throughout. Designed with safety in mind, the cool touch handles make it easy to lift the lid and move the breakfast maker anywhere in your kitchen without risk of burns. With its combination of thoughtful design, health-conscious materials, and multifunctional cooking options, the GreenLife Breakfast Maker Station offers a convenient and enjoyable way to start the day with a complete, freshly prepared breakfast. It blends efficiency and versatility, making every morning meal a satisfying experience. And finally, our top pick for the Nostalgia Classic Retro Breakfast Maker Station. The Nostalgia Classic Retro Breakfast Maker Station brings a charming touch of vintage style to the modern kitchen while delivering versatile functionality for busy mornings. This 3-in-1 appliance allows you to prepare a complete breakfast in one place, combining a toaster, egg cooker, and griddle into a single compact station. Its wide toaster slots accommodate 2 slices of bread or bagels simultaneously, with customizable settings including toast, defrost, cancel, and bagel functions, letting you control exactly how your bread is toasted. The Breakfast Maker's egg cooker features a steamer that can cook up to 6 eggs at once, offering soft, medium, or hard-boiled options. It comes with a removable egg tray, a water measuring cup, and a lid with steam vents to ensure perfectly cooked eggs every time. On the non-stick griddle, you can prepare eggs, bacon, ham, or sausages with minimal cleanup. A silicone egg ring helps shape eggs, pancakes, and even small burgers, making meal preparation easy and precise. Designed with a nostalgic flair, this breakfast station evokes the early 20th century aesthetic while meeting today's kitchen needs. Its retro-inspired design adds a playful and charming element to your countertop, blending vintage appeal with modern convenience. Whether you're making a quick breakfast for yourself or a hearty meal for the family, this all-in-one breakfast maker brings efficiency, style, and a touch of Americana to your morning routine. From preserving classic design elements to providing practical cooking solutions, the Nostalgia Classic Retro Breakfast Maker Station combines fun, utility, and timeless appeal in one appliance. It invites you to enjoy breakfast with a balance of retro charm and contemporary convenience. Start your mornings smarter with these amazing picks. Check the price link in the description and upgrade your kitchen today. Like and subscribe to Best Product for more great finds.